Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Black color, green color, purple color, brown color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, red color, dark blue color, yellow color and dark green color. A for apple. B for book. C for car. D for dog. E for eagle. F for face. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for question mark. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for watermelon. X for x-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's learn some shape. Star, square, triangle, circle, heart shape, hexagon, star, square, triangle, circle, heart shape, hexagon,